Let's have some Cynful stir-fried chicken tonight. Start out by putting your sesame oil, soy sauce. We're going to dip this in a bag and a bowl at the same time. We're making double. That's the rice wine vinegar, a little bit of teriyaki sauce, the garlic, and the ginger. And we're just going to add our chicken to the bag. We have the bowl sitting off to the side. We're going to add the chicken to the bag, try to get all the air out, and then just massage it in. Now this is the bowl. To that we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Stir that up. Now about 3 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil in your wok on high. Add your chicken, and we're going to cook that until the chicken's completely done. There is no pink. Remove the chicken and set aside, and then add our vegetables. And again, we're going to stir fry those until the broccoli starts to turn bright green and gets a little bit soft. Add our bean sprouts and onions. Again, cook to translucent. And last but not least, we're going to add our shredded cabbage. And we're going to cook that until it wilts. Return the chicken to the pot or pan, and then create a well in the center. And in that well, we're going to pour that cornstarch and soy sauce mixture and stir it vigorously while it thickens. So as it starts to thicken, we can start to bring in some of those vegetables and so forth until you have got the entire thing combined and coated. We're going to serve this over rice, and you can garnish it with peanuts, cashews, slivered almonds, or even wonton strips. Very, very simple. I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description. But here you go with the recipe anyway. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this wonderful stir fry. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a very blessed day.